Welcome to our channel. Today, we're giving you a short, clear, and professional step-by-step guide on how to get approved for FHA home loans. Step 1. Check your credit score. FHA loans are more flexible than conventional loans, but a credit score of at least 580 is recommended for maximum benefits. Scores between 500 to 579 may still qualify with a higher down payment. Step 2. Determine your budget. Calculate how much house you can afford, including down payment, monthly mortgage, taxes, and insurance. FHA loans require a minimum down payment of 3.5% for eligible borrowers. Step 3. Gather required documents. Prepare pay stubs, tax returns, bank statements, and ID. Lenders will need these to verify your income and financial stability. Step 4. Find an FHA-approved lender. Search for lenders approved by the Federal Housing Administration. They handle the loan application and follow FHA guidelines. Step 5. Get pre-approved. Submit your financial documents to the lender to get pre-approved. This shows sellers you are a serious buyer and gives you a clear loan amount. Step 6. Submit a full loan application. After selecting a home, complete the full FHA loan application. The lender will order an appraisal and review your financials in detail. Step 7. Close the loan. Once approved, sign the closing documents, pay your down payment and closing costs, and receive the keys to your new home. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more helpful guides.